In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. The ambassador of Afghanistan in Kyrgyzstan attends the condolence ceremony for Sheikh Hamad bin Khalifa Al Thani, the former Emir of Qatar. Herat Governor Sheikh Moulavi Islam Jar hold talks with Turkey's Consul General in Herat. And Israeli military strikes continue across Gaza Strip. Welcome to Urooj Daily News Package. It's Tuesday, the 28th of Muharram al-Haram 1448, the 23rd of Sartan 1405, and the 14th of July 2026. The news details. Moulavi Abdushakur Haqqani, the ambassador of Afghanistan in Kyrgyzstan, attended the condolence ceremony held by the Embassy of Qatar in Bishkek following the passing of Sheikh Hamad bin Khalifa Al Thani, the former Emir of Qatar. During the ceremony, Mr. Haqqani extended his condolences to Ali Jaber Muhammad Al-Ghufran Al-Mari, the Qatar's ambassador in Kyrgyzstan. He prayed for mercy upon the late Sheikh Hamad bin Khalifa Al Thani and expressed his sympathies to the government and people of Qatar. Sheikh Moulavi Islam Jar, the governor of Herat, met with Tizjan Qazi Oghlu, the consul general of Turkey in Herat, and Kurshad Uzdemir, the head of Turkish Cooperation and Coordination Agency TICA office in the province. According to Herat Provincial Media Office, the Turkish officials describe Herat as a city of rich historical heritage and significant strategic importance. They reaffirmed their commitment to expanding the long-standing friendship between Turkey and Afghanistan and enhancing cooperation with the local administration of Herat. Governor Islam Jar, in turn, expressed appreciation for Turkey's continued support and emphasized the importance of strengthening bilateral relations in the areas of trade, economic development, and investment. He also called for further facilitation of trade and broader cooperation between the two countries. The news continuation. The Permanent Settlement and Land Distribution Committee for Returnees announced that during the past day, Monday, residential plots were distributed to 1,200 returning families across 4 provinces of Afghanistan. The land was allocated in the provinces of Nangarhar, Farah, Faryab, and Nimruz. Based on the committee, the total number of residential plots distributed to returning families have now reached 59,548, with the distribution process continuing throughout the country. And ultimately, Palestinian medical sources told Al Jazeera that at least 3 Palestinians were killed and 15 others injured in Israeli strikes across various areas of Gaza Strip. According to the report, one of the victims was killed when an Israeli drone targeted a motorcycle in Tel Al-Hawa neighborhood south of Gaza City. The strike reportedly involved the firing of 2 missiles, leaving 9 civilians among those wounded. The news conclusion. Blessing day. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.